In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT remember you by enabling its memory feature, updated for 2025. We'll take you through the steps to set this up, making sure that ChatGPT recognizes you and your preferences every time you log in. Follow along, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a personalized experience with ChatGPT. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This is our starting point for navigating to the right web page. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. This search will take you directly to the ChatGPT website, which is where all the exciting customization can happen. After the search results load, look for the official ChatGPT website link and click on it. This will take you to the main page, where you'll find various options for interacting with ChatGPT. Now that you're on the ChatGPT homepage, look to the lower left corner of the screen where your profile picture is located. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a menu. From this menu, select Settings to access all the options ChatGPT offers for personalization. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click on the Personalization option. This section is key for setting up memory features and personal customizations. It's where you'll make ChatGPT more aligned to your preferences and needs. Within the personalization settings, you'll often see various customization options, each providing different ways you can tailor ChatGPT to suit you better. For our current objective, you need to find the option that allows you to toggle the memory feature on or off. This particular feature is usually designed to cater to remembering user interactions, which improves your future experiences and queries with ChatGPT. Take a moment here. If you haven't already noticed, there's a simple switch or a button next to the memory feature setting. Clicking it will toggle it on or off. Ensure it is switched on to enable ChatGPT to remember you the next time you log in. This feature is fantastic for users who want to streamline their interactions with ChatGPT, making every engagement feel more intuitive and seamless. Congratulations, you've now successfully enabled the memory feature on ChatGPT. By following these steps, you should notice that ChatGPT can retain and recall prior tasks, making your interactions insightful and tailored to you. Whether you're using ChatGPT for work, study, or personal reasons, enabling this personalized memory feature is a great way to enhance your experience. Thank you for watching today. Be sure to leave comments below if you have additional questions or need further clarifications. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful content just like this. See you next time.